Hello YouTube, I am SM451, and we're going to be doing Mario Kart Wii Item Rain on Mario Kart 7 tracks. So yeah, let's get into them. And yes, I am using SZGOM451, right? And we are now doing... and you know, this one... No, CGP version, this one is called DK Runes. And I actually can't remember what it's called in my region. Whoa, okay. Well, I'm going to adjust the brightness. That should be better. I've made a video in like 3 days. And by that I mean on the main, on like either main or this channel. You know, rocking computer players like always. I feel like my next video of Rolls on Iron Reigns is just gonna be doing it on custom tracks. And then after that, I'll try to get some people to like actually do Item Rain online with. Because you can't do it on Worldwides. Sadly, Mr. B never made like a separate type of worldwide for Item Rain. So I feel like he should have. It's like he made one for Countdown that replaced Battle Mode. Which, did anyone like Countdown, to be honest? There's no offense, Mr. Bean. I mean, it's just whenever I try doing it online, nobody is playing it. But at least the mode you make Iron Rain is good. And I hope your knockout mode knockout tournament mode becomes a success. As I know, as I know, it will be in CGGP soon. Hi, Donkey Kong. Anyways, so let's move on to the next track. Now we have Neo Bowser's City. Also, just in case some of you start asking why am I doing them out of order? Because we don't have every track from only because we don't have every track from Mario Kart 7 in CGP. I know people are making custom tracks of every Mario Kart 7 track in Mario Kart Wii, but you know, Mr. Bean will only allow will only allow stuff he likes in CGP. It's like all like the hard and good all the hard and custom tracks people are like loving and wanting in CGP. Yeah, Mr. Bean is not gonna put in it. Or like ASDF City could replace ASDF Course, but you know, he says we are not allowed to have nice things. And no, do not get me thinking Incentia Castle is good. But it is such good, and do not get me started on Mushroom Peaks. What I love about this custom track, you can actually make that turn. Then in the Mario Kart 8 version, you can't. I don't know about Mario Kart 7 version because I never owned a 3DS. But I did play some of the games on the 3DS. And Mario Kart 7 was not one of them. I want that bullet bill. Oh, very frame it ended. So yeah, I'm sure you know. Oh, I'm still trying to see if people will do item. Will want to make an item rain video with me. Whoa, that's a camera angle. But it's still working on it. Now we have Piranha Plant Pipeland. Oh no. Ow. I don't like it, probably item just keeps landing outside of it. So yeah, just in case I ever do item rain. So when I do item rain with actual people, take a note. This is not a good item rain track. Give me a good respawn. Trying to turn up my TV. Oh my, this is not good. So weird. Ever since I learned who Zach Zico was, it just kept using this me a lot. Gotta get it first. What? How did I miss the Mega Mushroom? Luigi, the most hostile Nintendo character, is actually gonna beat me. Yeah, I'm losing to Luigi. Next track. And now we have Shy Guy Bazaar. Hi, that is very loud, but I want to make sure you can hear the video. Really? Computer players are starting to gain up on me now. Trying to be toxic on computer players and backball them. No, I could have gotten it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Keep them far behind me. Ooh, I'm so ready for when I do this online. Actually, I'm not because computer players cannot see items on the ground, and real people can. Funky Kong dodged. What? How is a star not going through the off-road? That was a broken star. Well, let's keep going. Well, it's time for Rosalina's Ice World now. Whoa, no. Whoa. Controller. I want that Mega. Baby Mario gets squished. Well, let's keep going. Oh, no. Why? Wait, where did Funky Kong just go? I want that bullet bill. Missed the star. Missed the Mega Mushroom. But at least got our bullet bill. Blue shell dodge. What? That Mega Mushroom just despawned the very second I touched it. Okay. Wow, the blue shell just... Oh, even the blue shell despawned. And I guess I am just that far up ahead, because I'm about to overlap last place. I spinned out grabbing the Mega Mushroom. Still have some more track. Obviously, there's going to be a part 2 of of the Mario Kart 7 tracks. No, we just now have some Toad Raceway. Ow. Ah! No, no, no! Ah! No, this is not a good race for me. Bam! Shock dodge. Wait, oh no, Baby Daisy's gonna dodge it. Why did I throw it? I should have thrown it when Baby was supposed to run out. Good, so that actually works on. Oh, why do the bullet bills always despawn? Because this one's not. I had to shot. I had to do it just for the fun. Ha 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 ha. Alright, a few more left to go. Also, I'm not going to include the Woohoo tracks or Rainbow Road in this video, or Mario Kart 7 Rainbow Road, because of one-lap tracks and yeah, there won't be main items I just have to worry about. But plus, I'm pretty sure you saw me playing the Mario Kart Wii's Rainbow Road on Item Rain, and most of the items just go off the edge. So, same for Mario Kart 7's. Oh! I dodged the POW! So yeah, just hope you understand. There's just stuff and also my phone only allowed me to record a certain length of a video. So hope you understand that. Hold on. No, they pushed me into that. There was no way I was escaping that. It's been a while since I played on Item Rain. No, don't put me up there! So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed me suffering through Item Rain. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my epic Discord server. And what is that camera angle? So yeah, hope Zach Zico takes over Mario Kart Wii, and goodbye!